Welcome to Mandarin Monkey Lesson 45.
第45课比较 and 比。所以 this lesson is telling you how to say the sentence like to compare something，对不对？所以 there are two patterns, and the pattern number one is something 比较 and then you put a describing word. 所以 phrase number one 中文
Chinese
比较难
is harder.
中文比较难
So Zhongwen is harder. The Chinese is harder. Now, to give you the best example of this, using bǐjiào would have to be contextual. So if you're speaking to someone and perhaps you say,
英文很难耶
English is harder, you say, no, I don't think so.
中文比较难
Zhongwen is harder. Chinese is harder, right?
对啊中文比较难
So bǐjiào is contextual. Okay, so give me another example of bǐjiào.
好Las Vegas 比较好玩
So Las Vegas is more fun. So again, if someone would say, I think London's more fun.
Oh no Las Vegas 比较好玩
So Las Vegas is more fun.
Yeah, that's my opinion.
Yep.
好phrase number 3香水比较香
Perfume smells better.
香水比较香
Perfume smells better.
对
So this example would be, I think poo smells better.
No 香水比较香
Perfume smells better. Okay, alright, sure. Okay, I'll agree with you. Right, fine. So what's the next example? What's the next pattern?
好 So in pattern 2 you need two things in this sentence. So
Yeah.
we'll call them object 1 and object 2.
So this is the comparison, right?
对对对
Okay.
所以you put object 1, object 2 and then you say 比 You don't say 比较 in this pattern, okay? 记得你要说比所以 object 1 比 object 2 and a describing word.
Okay, so in this instance, B would mean in comparison to.
对好所以中文比英文难
Okay, so Chinese in comparison to English is more difficult.
所以哪一个比较难中文比较难 In this sentence that means 中文 is harder,
Yeah.
it's difficult.
Yeah, yeah.
对好 Phrase number 2 Las Vegas 比 London 好玩
Okay, so Las Vegas in comparison to London is more fun.
对
Okay,
Las Vegas 比
in comparison to
London 好玩
is more fun. Okay,
So that means like Las Vegas is more fun.
yeah. So
How?
object in comparison to object is more something or less something.
对
Yeah.
对好 Phrase number 3 BMW
BMW, yeah.
比 Ford 贵
So BMWs in comparison to Fords are more expensive.
对贵是 expensive
Okay, now I just heard you're not using hen.
没有
Okay, so
不说
you don't need to say how or hen
没有
when using.
when you use this
These adjectives,
pattern
okay.
对对对对对好所以再一次哦 BMW 比 Ford 贵
So BMW in comparison to Ford are more expensive.
没错 You
Got
got
it.
it
It's practice time. It's practice time. Repeat the sentences. Chinese is harder.
中文比较难中文比较难
Las Vegas is more fun.
Las Vegas 比较好玩 Las Vegas 比较好玩
Perfume smells better.
香水比较香香水比较香
Chinese is more difficult than English.
中文比英文难中文比英文难
Las Vegas is more fun than London.
Las Vegas 比 London 好玩 Las Vegas 比 London 好玩
BMW is more expensive than Ford.
BMW 比 Ford 贵。BMW 比 Ford 贵。